The following segment is sponsored by Intermountain Health. As the back-to-school season approaches, parents are gearing up to equip their children for success. Part of that includes what they eat. Liz O'Gara is a health promotion and wellness manager at Select Health, and she's here to share how we can make healthy lunch choices for our kids. Liz, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Elora. I'm so excited because Select Health's mission is to help people live the healthiest lives possible, and that includes our children. So let's go through a healthy lunch.
Let's do it.
We want to make sure that we include all food groups.
Yes.
Whole grains, dairy, fruits, vegetables, all the fun stuff. So what we have here is a whole wheat wrap with peanut butter and banana.
Oh, that's yummy and fancy.
Yes, has fiber. It's not the old sandwich, but you can always do a ham sandwich with a good amount of lettuce, cucumbers, whole grain toast or wheat bread.
Oh, here we go.
We also have some fresh vegetables. Those are going to be key. If you like hummus or ranch for your kiddos, they can put them in there.
It's so bright and fun too.
Yeah.
Those veggies make those bright colors and it makes them more inviting to eat.
Yeah, pre-wash and pre-cut, put them in packages. They can grab and go.
Okay.
Fruit is key as well. What's in season, plums these days. If you don't have time to have the handy fruit, making sure you have applesauce or something unsweetened, no sugar added. Fruit bars are great too. Keeping the sugars down to at least 4 to 2 grams per package if possible.
Okay, that can be hard. But
That can be tricky.
Your kids will be okay. I promise they'll be okay.
Yes, absolutely. And dairy, string cheese is great for on the go. Whole wheat crackers, always good. Yogurt's another really great, easy one. Again, the sugars we want to watch out for on yogurts. Now, it can be enticing to have a treat for our little ones.
Yes.
Now, these actually have a whole 8 grams of sugar, which is 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
We want to keep it down to about 25 grams per day, which is only 6 teaspoons.
I'm like, I am over that. So it's a good thing we're having a chat
here's
today.
a good choice. More fiber, more nutrient for our kids, and they also come in a fun pack to open.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you made it so easy. Why is a balanced meal so important for our kids?
Oh, it's so important because it helps them feel full longer. They can concentrate, remember better, have more energy to run around at the playground, all of that together.
And there you go. That is what makes a successful school year.
Yeah.
Why is it so important to involve our children in making these decisions?
I love having them choose. So making sure they like the things that we're providing them. So for example, choosing a little mini Oreo can go a long way.
Adorable.
Yes, we have 5 little Oreos in place of 1. But letting them choose, having your cupboard organized so that you have different areas of the food group, putting them in pre-packs maybe at the beginning of the week, have them run through that, one food group, one baggie, and they're set to go.
There you go. Okay, really fast. What is a typical tip you have for parents?
Keep it simple. Make sure that the kids feel like they have a choice, and make sure you have at least a fruit, a veg, and a whole grain.
Perfect. All right, where can we go for more information?
SelectHealth.org is a great place to start. The MyPlate CDC site also is a great place to refer to.
There you go. Well, Liz, thank you so much for coming in today. And you packed my lunch for me. How nice of you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Take care.